Okay, I'm going to try to short at 24 for this CL trade. The main reason is like we have on the higher time frame, we have both moving averages hooking down, but I have to point out that this is an aggressive entry because we have not had the fast magenta below the slow aqua at this point, just like we have the red candles and it closed below. That's why I tried to short, and actually I did get in at 102.24. And for CL, we have an initial 10 pip stop loss. So you see here, the stop is right now at 102.34. And for the first profit target, we have it for 15 pips. So that is 102.09. And we have the down triangle, we have the slope hooking down, and then we have the candle right now. Like this one is not good because it's going up, and we have green momentum and all those, and then we have this. So I will try to get out now at so now we see some selling tail here. It just does one here, the momentum down here is still green, so I'll be very cautious. So let me adjust my stop to 29 right here. 20, this one's 29, so I'll have my stop at 30, and that way my stop cushion is only 5, and in case there 1 or 2 pips slippage, then we'll still be okay. Okay, so now it's looking better now because you notice here the momentum is now red. And do we have any news? No, we don't have any news. And then we're getting close to the US Open, which is at 9:30. So got stop out, and then it's time to go along now, right? You notice here. So let's try to get in at, oh gosh, okay, let me try to get in, buy it at 102.27 and see if we get it. I would adjust it to just 1 pip, 102.29, 28. So I'm going to get in at 28, and I did. This is a long, and same thing, we have a 10 for the stop loss, which is 102.18, and then we have 15 as the profit target, which is 102.43. And you see again that on this, we have both moving averages hooking up, and we have the green candle close above, and that's why I entered as soon as I see this. And let's see. But I don't like the momentum down here is red now instead of green. Oh, it's just too choppy, huh? It's just too choppy. Now we have red again and hooking all down, like, geez. And we have buyers on the bottom here. I'll buy here, so I buy, and I think I'm going to close the trade. I don't like it because of all those red there, so I'm going to close it. You know, just like when you want to close it and it's up again. I'll move my stop though. I'll move my stop to here, 25, and that way my stop is only 3 pips. I entered at 28, so my stop is 25, and then everything here now is green. It's just like the trailing dot when it's like horizontal, not hooking up or something. Telling me that the market is undecided. It's quite undecided. And I hope you will break the 32, so then it will be closer for us to get our target. If not, then when we get stop out. It's a good sign. I look at here like red and green, and all those like the moving averages sort of like zigzagging, like up and then down, up and then down. Right, so I'll wait until completion of this candle and decide what to do. Okay, so now it's getting better. Okay, I'm going to adjust my stop loss. So here, this one's 31, so I have my stop loss at 30, and at least this trade will be like, if we have slippage, we'll still be close to break even. Okay, this is a 2 contract trade, and for the first one we aim for 15 pips, and for the second one we just let it run. so that we'll maybe able to catch a big runner. So I entered 28 and you went to 39, and our first target is 13. So it's still possible. So I'm gonna adjust my stop now to here, 32. I'm adjusting my stop. Just have to be very cautious. Don't want it to be losing trade. And I mentioned a few times on my other videos that I love the little trailing dot because it helps first for us to tighten our stop loss and also to protect some of the gains. Okay, so we'll see. Oh, we have the red thing here. I'm going to exit like at, let's see, I'll try to exit at 30. Oh, now it looks a little bit better, but still I don't like the momentum down there. So I'm going to try to exit at 37. I'm going to sell at 37. See if I get it. Oh, I think I got it. I think I got it at 37. So I got 9 pips for the for this trade. And then we got 2 contracts, 18, and then for the first one was a stop out. Let me double check right here. And that way I'll be able to tell you what happened. Yeah, so for the second contract, we entered long at 102.28. Now it went up to hit our 15 pips. And then we got out at 102.37. And actually, if I chose not to exit early, it did not hit my stop loss. It's just like it's 10 minutes before the US Open, and I don't like the red momentum down here, so I chose to exit it for 9 pips, and I did get 9 pips for 2 contracts, meaning 18 pips. And then for the earlier trade, we sorted at 102.24 and we got out at 102.30, meaning losing 6 pips. So for those 2 signals demonstration, we make 6 pips. Okay. So this is a quick live recording of 2 6E signals on CL. And then let me quickly do a review. And we entered the short at 102.24, 912, which is around here. So we entered it around here at 102.24 right here. And then it went to about 4 pips and then struggling here, and then I did not choose to exit when we see the green, mainly because we still have a red momentum down there. But I have my stop loss around here, and then I got hit when it moved up to here 102.30. But you can tell the system does give us a warning, like even down here is red, but we have the green candles, we have the up triangle, so that's telling us that's a good time to exit. And then if I did, and my stop instead of 6 pips will probably be like 2 to 4. Okay, now you see our long now run without me in it, but still it's a good one though. It's 9 pips for 2 is 18, which means $180, and then I lost for the first one for $120, and it's still making $60. And hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.